What's up, YouTube? Today we're looking at another pocket knife from Great Eastern Cutlery. They make the finest premier pocket knives. This is a Whittler. That's the main. This would be the, hang on, 38 in burnt orange jig bone. What a nice looking piece. Let's take a look at this. Nice even die job, even though there is on the corners transition period. It's a little bit richer in there. I like this shield. This piece is a real looker. I had to actually try a couple of times to get this good of an example, but they're out there. Can't even catch. Yeah, I can't even catch it. Still no. A real looker, this piece. I'm glad I got it. When I die, I'm gonna have it buried with me. Just kidding. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. That's all she wrote for this one. I hope you folks have a great rest of your day. Bye now.